Okay, all right. So, I actually went through many iterations of this speech. I made many drafts, did a lot of research, looked up things online, sibling quotes, looked for old emails from Michael about Valerie, obsessing, being me. And while I was doing this obsessing, it brought to mind a moment with Michael when we were on a family vacation in a beautiful location in Hawaii. Michael and I were sitting together, quietly, not talking, just sitting very quietly, and all of a sudden he looked at me and said nicely, but firmly, "Stop analyzing." And he was totally right. I was overthinking and not enjoying the moment. Well, Michael has one of the most brilliant minds I know and is capable of such analysis and using it as a weapon. I always felt he should be a defense attorney with such skills. He always knows how to keep perspective and go with the flow. And that's what he's always been to me, my anchor in perspective. At least after we outgrew our Batman, Batgirl days in the 1980s. I mean, not many people would offer a homeless man a beer in the absence of food in the middle of the night in a New Haven street. So, going with the flow, I think so. So, Michael and Valerie together are a force, a kind yet driven, hardworking couple who are no doubt making this world a better place.
Absolutely.
For the first few years of the relationship, I knew very little about Valerie. I had learned from my mom that she might be a Democrat, and she definitely liked penguins. So after I realized that they were very serious, I wanted to find a way to bond with her, as I suspected she might be the sister